Namaste, this is Mahesh at the Gentlemen and Rouges Club. This is Poole, and he's getting this carpet of hair taken away.
That was the most BBC introduction ever.
That was. BBC?
I heard that. That's so like BBC.
Poole, welcome to the Barbershop.
Shut up, mate!
Are you going to have your hair cut in a nice style? Is that too robotic, guys?
Hold on. You gotta do it again.
Okay. Shall I do it again? Okay, I'll do it more natural. Well,
Just get an Aggie!
welcome, Paul, to the Barbershop. Enjoy your stay. Is that better? We are going to get through this haircut at some point. Paul, what are you having done today, mate?
Short back and sides, a touch longer on top, I guess.
A touch longer on top, short back and sides, all off. Does anyone know you're having this haircut today? No one?
Not really, a couple of people at work, but it was kind of a... I've been saying it for a few, one or two, bro. Toying with it for like a week, but no one thought I'd do it, so...
So no one thought you were going to have this done?
No, in fairness, I didn't think I would, but it annoyed me quite severely. No, it got in my mouth whilst I was eating, and that was it, game over.
What did, mate?
My hair.
This is going to be the worst video ever. We were looking for a hairband. Oh, he's got one.
Mate, you've got to donate the hairband. Get it as high as we can get. That's going to be in the barbershop now for life.
What are you gonna do?
Yeah. So he's not keeping this bit. So he wants to go short on the back and sides. So instead of fannying around and messing about with it and taking sections, there's no point in doing that. There you go, mate. That's 17 quid, please, mate.
Beardbrand is a premium men's grooming company.
Josh will take that and he'll smell it. Josh likes to smell those while he's making love to his girl.
You gotta hang that somewhere.
Yeah, we'll hang it up, mate, somewhere.
You still got a lot of hair in you.
He's still got a lot of hair. Okay, so what about going for what you want, a 3 on the back and sides? Yeah, something like that? Or do you want to keep a little bit of length on this top now? Now I've cut the sides.
Not a tremendous amount, because I can't be bothered with styling it, so...
Okay. So do you want it coming forward, or do you want it coming back, or?
It kind of has to go, because I got a cow slick this side, I think, so it kind of has to go up and that way.
Up and that way. Okay, mate. So I'm just going to section it off, just makes it life a little bit easier. I'm going to go in with a 3, that's what Paul requested. I'm going to go straight in. How long has it been, Paul, since you've had a pair of clippers against your head?
Oh, best part of 2 years, I think.
And best 2 years? So just finding the shape of Paul's hair. I'm just getting like a sense of how it sits. Because this is a long time. Okay, so I'm just going to take off the excess hair from the section. This has been about 2 years since Paul's had a haircut this short.
2 years since I've cut any of it.
It's 2 years since you had a haircut full stop?
Yeah, I just had this style and then didn't go back to the barbers.
Wow. So your hair grew actually a lot in 2 years, mate.
Yeah, it grows fairly quick. That's why I kind of baited off the barbers, because they're all the bloody time.
Good growth, mate. That's really good growth.
I think it took even mine grows really quick, but it gets to a stage, you kind of just
Sort of slows down, yeah. It's looking short, it's looking tidy already.
See my ears again.
Yeah. You have to wash your neck now for the first time in 2 years.
I'm not happy about that.
What is going on in this shop? It's got to that time, isn't it? It's like 6:45 at night. It's 6:45 at night. Everyone starts talking weird shit.
We've all gone. The day's been long. You've all gone nuts.
Yeah. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to section it down the middle. So if I part it in the middle, cut it even both sides. Doesn't matter which way you wear it, left or right or back or whatever. It's always even. But if I cut a part in here and then cut it over there, when you just get long bits come over, they'll just hang over. So we'll still keep we'll retain a bit of length through the top. So I'm going to cut it at an angle. Can we use any of this video?
You can use the video just on mute.
We might have to just play loads of like loud music over the top of this, Jack.
Put Bon Jovi over the top of it.
Can you just play
Hey, Barry White.
Yeah.
a little bit? Shout out to Mahesh.
Okay, we're just going to cut it
Did you make it so
at an angle, keeping the length that we've retained now. Because Paul's probably thinking right now, oh, I already missed my hair.
Thinking, oh, my ears are wonky.
Have you instantly regretted doing this, Paul?
No, I'm actually more okay with it than I thought I would be.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I thought you'd like cut the first bit off and I'd be like, right, I'm going.
Yeah. I instantly thought I'll do it, and you'll think I'm growing my hair now.
Well, I did the same thing with my beard. Like I had like a beard that was like a fist and a bit long.
Yeah.
Shaved it. I was like, oh, why have you done that?
Yeah.
Instant regret.
I've been there, mate.
But it took me my beard does not grow like my head hair. It's
Right.
really thin and really shit. It takes ages to grow.
Do you know what? I have generally found, and people might think the opposite of this, but I don't know. I think like when you start to lose your hair naturally, you have higher testosterone in your body because that's like your male pattern baldness. So it is the testosterone, and my beard has grown exponentially since I started thinning on top.
Oh, that's sound. That means because I've got that to look forward to.
Okay, so cut the sides.
See ya.
And then we're going to just cut through the middle now because we've got the sides shorter and then we've just got this long section. So we're just going to go through.
You need a mirror.
Genuinely
No.
think I'm in love with it.
Huh?
I'm genuinely thinking I'm in love with it.
Yeah, there's something there between you two for sure.
Yeah, mate. Carlos can see it.
Yeah. The Portuguese like it. You know it's very nice.
Mate, we're going to give you some slightly sharp edges. You haven't had any sharp edges for some time.
Why are you laughing, man? Why are you laughing?
I don't know, mate. Because everyone's being dickheads in here tonight. It's weird in here, isn't it? After about half... It's half past 6. It goes weird in here.
Like out of love. That was out of love. But now, fuck you, man.
Okay, I'm going to dry it through. Paul, how weird is this then?
Yeah, it's looking like
Did you hear that, Josh? It's for you.
I will be something. You watch. I'll have my name in lights.
I watch, mate. I watch. Look.
I'll have my name.
Happy, mate?
Maybe
Yeah, man.
lights one day, mate. Could be underneath fine watch, but you know. Nonetheless.
There you go, Paul. One short haircut, mate.
Quite different, isn't it?
It is quite different. That is quite different.
Beardbrand is a premium men's grooming company with products not only for your beard, but also your hair and body. Do yourself a favor and head over to beardbrand.com and take care of yourself. Or you can stick around and watch a few more of our awesome videos.